Welcome to our mini portable washing machine showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between the Swajeg mini portable washing machine and the Benchtry portable mini washing machine. Both of these compact washers are designed for travel, but they come with different features and capacities. We'll explore their strengths and weaknesses to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Bench portable mini washing machine takes the lead with a generous 16-liter capacity, allowing for larger loads compared to the Swag's 11-liter capacity. This makes the Bench Primary a better option for users who need to wash more items at once, especially when dealing with baby clothes or multiple delicates. The Swajeg, while compact and lightweight, may require more frequent washes for larger loads, making it ideal for solo travelers or minimalists. In terms of materials, the Benchbury model is constructed with food-grade silicone and TPE, making it a safer choice for washing intimate and baby clothing. On the other hand, the Swajeg uses standard ABS plastic, which, while functional, may not provide the same level of safety and durability. If you're concerned about the materials used in your washing machine, the Benchbury's higher quality construction is a significant advantage. Control options are another area where these two machines differ. The Benchbury offers 3 specific cleaning modes with timed cycles of 3, 5, and 10 minutes, giving users more control over their washing experience. In contrast, the Swajeg relies on a less defined S+ clean technology without clear cycle options, which may leave users wanting more customization. For those who prefer precise control over their laundry cycles, the Benchbury stands out as the better option. In conclusion, both the Swag and Benchbury portable washing machines have their unique strengths. The Swag is perfect for budget-conscious travelers seeking a lightweight and compact solution, while the Benchbury offers superior capacity, material safety, and customizable cleaning options. Depending on your needs, one of these machines will surely fit your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.